Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play YouTube video in background while using your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So I'm using any apps and play my YouTube video. So I'm provide full guide. So simply at first need to enable this. Open your settings. Scroll down. Press on general, scroll down, then you get this option. Press on to make sure turn on this option. When I'm turn on this and open my YouTube and let's play any video. So let's play this video. When I play this video and go back, but it's not working. So if you don't use your YouTube Premium version, then you don't get this feature. So you must be use your YouTube Premium version. So don't upset. So I'm provide another solution. So open your App Store, go to search option, search set to. Okay. At first you just install these apps. I'm already installed this. Just press on to open. Then you get this interface. Go to YouTube. And you just play any video. Okay. And save. Then now play my YouTube in my background. So that's it.